Guys, I've got a new member to the channel. Haven't seen you in a long time. What's up, guys? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks.
Luke, right? This seems like all you do is cheap Chinese crap.
Well, no, we don't. Don't worry about the bike, that's Honda, but
Honda.
that's not cheap at all. I know you can't see because of the backlight, but that is the Raminator. But this is not a car video. What do we got here, Luke, right?
I know, we got
This
something
is-
special for you guys.
I don't know this at all. Carvo and this guy knows about him.
Carvo.
Yeah. Miss you, Carvo. Anyway, so what do we have?
Okay, alright. You ready for this, guys?
I'm gonna,
Well, it'll be in the title,
I'm gonna
wouldn't
put
it?
it on you. Yeah, it'll be in the title.
Why are you putting it on me?
Because it's your stuff. Half this garage is your stuff.
What? It's not what a lawyer said. Oh, look at this, Steve. Woo!
So this is not a sticker. This is actual carbon fibre, right?
Yes.
Check out that weave. So what is this brand?
This is actually a Oxidean Marine. You got to put the link on the doobly-doo thingies.
I will.
So this is
Check out
called
that dual pickups and everything.
this is called the Dominator
So
because I like to.
dominate.
Ah,
Wow, check out that. Or obviously
was it aluminum?
aluminum or
Aluminum.
stainless steel. But I like the dual pickups straight off the bat.
We didn't do an unboxing because the boxing that it came in was we punted it straight away.
We did. We drop kicked that. What about underneath, Luke Ray? What do we have here? So it's a single prop, obviously, but wow, check out that.
Look at this profile, Steve.
I'm trying to look at you. You're beautiful. Oh, the bow. Yeah, that's really thin. Once it's in the water as well.
Oh, look at that.
That's impressive, isn't it?
Look at the ass on that.
That's a fat ass. That's PHAT ass.
Oh,
That's beautiful, eh? Wow, yeah, that is really nice. All right.
so we believe it's a ARTR because it didn't come with a controller.
So that means almost ready to run.
Almost, but nah. It's not floating.
Yeah, hold this. Let me go get a little stand. Keep talking. You know how to use a camera?
No. So here it is here, guys. So that's the website here. Get rid of that thing. So, let me refresh.
Here we go. This might be able to work.
Ah! One of those things. Oop, she's heavy in the arse.
There we go.
First time I'm using this camera too, Steve.
There we go.
Ooh. Alright.
All good. You know what you're doing?
No. Okay, let's go to this.
So obviously we don't script any of this stuff on this
Nah.
channel. All right. Your bare hands, get that up there.
Oh, I just got it. Slippery little
but
sucker.
look, you look at the how thin that is. That's really thin, but wow, it's really light. What if it's... No, I'm not going to twist it.
Do it. Come on, do it.
It's your baby. Give me this.
Do
This is
now.
yours.
Come on.
Do it.
Alright, so.
But yeah, wow, look at that. It's so...
Look at that.
I know. But is it all carbon or is
We've
it...
got to read up on
Is
it
it a
too,
Kevlar weave or what is it?
We'll read up on it because we actually bought this because Carvo
Carbo bought one.
bought an animal, which is a twin
Which is
It's a
like...
twin cat RTA. He bought that thing.
Which is that one there, guys.
Yeah. But his is taking a little bit of a long time to get there because he done some custom graphics to
okay.
it. So
So the actual material though, is it carbon or is it a carbon weave and a Kevlar?
you ask him, you're telling me.
I'm
Well, here we go.
both.
Here we go.
Learn more. So his website's pretty cool. It's got heaps of information about it. But here in Australia, it's coming up to summer. Well, it is summer. First day of summer.
It is. Hey! There goes Bill.
There he is. There. It's 1st of December today.
Yep.
But he can chime in and leave down in the comments.
So we got
Hole and hardware. There we go.
boom,
Almost ready to run.
and it was the
So there's 3 different boats, right?
yep. So it's the fast Dominator.
Oh, you got the wrong one. You just got the
Oh, it's
Dominator.
a carbon Kevlar.
So there you go, carbon Kevlar. So it's not all carbon fibre, it's a carbon Kevlar composite.
Yep. So it's 33.5. Must be inches.
Yeah, yeah, it would be because it's American.
850 mil.
850 mil.
That's better.
Hobbywing ESC. Okay, so the ESC.
So it's a carbon Kevlar full epoxy hole layup.
Right, there we go. Really nice. And ESC.
The ESC, it looks like a Hobbywing.
180 amp ESC.
There we go. Hobbywing Sea King, I suppose.
Yes, Hobbywing Sea King.
I think he's probably rebranded it.
Yep, he's got some nice little
Oxidean Marine.
Oxidean Marine sticker on top.
180 amps, Steve.
Oofed.
And a single.
That is pretty cool.
Oh no.
What?
That's gonna go fast.
And that means it's gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else we got? 1650 kV motor.
Yep, 6-pole.
6-pole.
Wow, man, that's some tremendous specs, isn't it?
That is. That's pretty huge for.
I think this is in comparison to the Pro Boat Sonic Wake. And I think that's only like 120 amp.
But it's not really specs wise because this is this is like RTR, but this is premium spec RTR. It's like the what was I going to say? A Thrasher.
Good boat.
That is a good boat, and I think he bought one as well.
Had to buy one.
Yeah, he saw my Thrasher up there. We've got to get them out again. So Scott, if you're watching, got to get them out again.
Yep.
Appreciate the sharp what was it? Fast shipping. For Luke Ray's boat as well.
Yep.
But okay, back to this. But yeah, premium specs, huge battery tray as well. You can fit a huge motor in that.
Enormous.
Sorry, huge battery.
Look at that servo.
I really like that servo. Let me bring it around this way so it's not upside down. But the servo in there, that is a. What is it? That's a cool spec.
He's actually got a spec on it.
But it's beautiful. It's all aluminium case, aluminium servo horn. But I really like the colours. They all match. The blue and the orange look good together. But that's huge. Yeah, that motor. 4082 kV, 2000 kV actually. No, that specs is on their website's wrong. Here it is a 2000 kV 4082 motor. So if anyone doesn't know, that's 42 millimeters in this, 40 millimeters that direction, 82 millimeters long. That's where it gets a 4082. So that's pretty huge.
You're full of a lot of stuff.
I am, apparently. Check out the,
and it's a Pro Amps, so I know Pro Amps from the 1/10 market.
So it's a Pro Amp
servo. It's like a racing grade servo.
Well, it does
and for the rudder, whew, hey.
And on that, really nice knife edge there, pickup. But what I've noticed, it's a dual pickup, but a single pickup here. Unless, no, obviously, sorry, dual pickup for the motor. And so one's going straight into the motor and one's going straight into the ESC. So, and then you've got a separate pickup for that as well. There we go. We're not too...
Well, that actually bypassed the actual traditional pickup on the rudder, where they've just got it through here, if you can...
Yeah, it does, because...
The one we prepared earlier.
So there's two dual pickups. One on the left side, on the camera here, goes straight to the Seeking ESC, spits it back out the side. The other one comes up here onto the water jacket for the motor, and that spits it out here as well. So that looks pretty cool.
So you get the
flexi
shaft.
Yep.
And look at this bad boy.
Dual prop.
It's a drill,
single prop. Sorry.
That's nice.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
That's a pretty big. That looks like a 48.
Not sure. Looks really cool though.
Yeah, and I like the nut on it.
And we were saying here before when we first opened it yesterday.
Yeah.
Check out that.
Now I'm checking well.
So it's built really well.
I think with the 180 amps and the 2000 plus kV motor, I think and it's very light.
And you also get a little
and what are they? The
turning bags.
Yeah, that's one.
And a little jacket for the back there, little rubber boots. Sorry. Cable ties, and that's all she wrote. You have to supply your own electronics. So we're running quality Futaba gear in here, no cheap Chinese stuff there. Now on that,
let me rub it.
Now on that, Luke Ray, how much do these cost?
This was around
need to sit down.
Well, the sticker price is $780. Ooster.
That's American.
American.
America.
Yeah. So it's, I think I got it landed for around about $1,100-$1,200 Australian.
Australian, okay.
Yeah. So I think shipping was around about $100.
Yep.
And it was
Really love
through
this.
DHL.
Yep.
Or UPS.
This
We've
looks
had a
sick.
few things turn up in the past couple of weeks.
That looks really nice.
Yeah, so you can probably buy their decal sheet or their sticker sheet, or probably add your own stuff.
I wouldn't want to. Look how sick that looks on itself.
Mm.
Really cool.
What colour is that?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh,
It's
look
like
at it, goes deep, eh? It's like
It's like a greeny,
Greeny,
yellow,
yeah.
and black. Now, how do you to hold the top down, the canopy? You just sticky tape,
yeah. So it's like the old school. So it's not like the Pro Boat ones where you can just
and it's not Pro Boat where it flips over.
no, no. But I do believe they do have a flippy over.
Yeah, flippy.
Now, so.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Self-riding.
Self-riding, that's the one.
It's our first cut of this YouTube stuff.
One shot.
So we've got the option. What are we going to do? Go Deans?
Nah, yeah. XT90 straight up.
XT90, just one, because we're only going to run a maximum of a 6S on this.
Yep.
We got the 6S 8000 MAR 90C.
Yep, 90C, plenty of punch.
That's plenty of punch. And mate, ready to rock and roll.
Yeah.
That is awesome, eh? Look at that.
Yeah, I just love that. Actually, that colour combo looks really cool.
Yeah. It's like an anodized something. Hey, how you doing?
We're pretty busy. Hey, look at RC stuff.
Christmas rush.
Super busy with work, and yeah, Christmas as well. Same as me. Just doesn't end.
Can't make it fast enough to spend it.
Is that it for this video?
Well, yeah, I think so, because then we'll do a run video on it.
This is going to be like this video. Let's see if we can make without an edit. Just one.
Oh.
Cut the beginning, cut the end.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, there was a lot of... Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys. Any comments, leave them down below. If you haven't, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you did. If you didn't, sorry about that. Get out of here. But yeah, if any questions, leave them down below. If you have this boat, let us know as well, because this guy only bought it because Carvo bought it, and you got it before Carvo. Sorry, Carvo.
Sorry, Calvo.
Maybe it's more, you paid him more.
I'm famous.
Yeah, I'm the guy off YouTube. Oh, yep, next day delivery. But, alright, no edits, just one take.
Nice and simple.
Maybe we should have a new segment, one takes.
Like the band.
Yeah, no, who's that guy that does the, there's a guy in the States who actually reviews cars. He takes some customers' cars and goes around like the California mountains.
I'm very unfamiliar with this YouTube you talk of.
Anyway, whatever. Anyway, if you like the video, like I said, thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. If you have this, let us know. And what's the gentleman's name who...
Bill Oxidean.
Bill Oxidean.
So it's Oxidean Marine. Check him out, guys. It's for free.
It is. And he's got a YouTube channel as well, so check it out. Subscribe to that as well if you...
We'll link it, because then he's got to do it. So
yeah, I'll link it
we'll
in the doobly-doo.
We should flash it up on here like that.
But that's edit.
Oh,
no edits.
Can't do that.
Alright,
Sorry, guys.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
See you. Good to be back.